Drinking for me started like it started with anyone else. It was hanging out with the kids at school, going out, a little bit of marijuana after class, the basics. It really was a celebration back then. It was new and it was exciting. There was no real consequences. Life really started to surround drinking, using for me. It wasn't as if I didn't know drinking was a problem. Everyone in my life was telling me drinking was a problem. My parents, my wife, they were all asking me to slow down and stop. See, drinking for me became such a part of my life, it took over my perception of where I was. I would argue, I had a hard day at work, or I just wanted to have one and I don't know what happened. For me, it got to a point where I really wanted to quit, and I wanted to quit for me, not for them, but for me. I really wasn't happy with the man I was. I got a DUI and they said I had to stop. They told me that was it had to end, and I knew it had to end. Then came the time I had surgery and they gave me pain medication. I never thought that a pain pill would have the same effect on my life that alcohol did. Everything on the outside was the same. But on the inside, I was broken. I didn't like the man I'd become. I didn't like the father I was. I didn't like the employee I was. I really, truly love my kids and my wife, and they mean more than anything to me, but alcohol took that away. I would leave my house to drink and be away from them for days. I would take the drugs and not be present during the times that they needed me most. How do you say thank you to the process that gave you your life back? Not even the life back, the life you always wish you could live. My life today, I get to be the man I always intended to be, the father I wanted to be, the husband I wanted to be, the employee. I have people who can trust me. I do what I say I'm going to do, and I go where I say I'm going to go. And the life today I have is full, and it's present, it's real, it's everything I could imagine a real life should be, and I never thought it was possible. I'm grateful to be a man that my kids can respect, a man that my wife can trust. This process has given me back my life, given me a life, giving them a father and a husband. I'm grateful for the life I have today. I could have missed it.